What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we have the classic Batmobiles from the Batman Classic TV series, and we've got two of these. The first starting with the classic TV series Batmobile, and then the TV series Batmobile. I'm not really sure why this is classic and this doesn't really have. Not sure why it's from the same series. Like I mentioned, the classic series. And yeah, we also have the premium variation of this, and I'm going to do unboxing of this in the next part, so stay tuned for that as well. But today we are going to focus on these two vehicles, and right off the bat, this has been a long time coming, and I'm super pumped to unbox them. And there you have it. These are out of the box. So firstly, we are going to, let me just try to get the focus right. There you go. I think it's better, yeah. So yeah, firstly we're going to start off with the tuned variation. No, you know what, we're gonna start with the basic variation first. So obviously we have the whole black Batmobile series for the TV series version, right? And we can right off the back, we can see the slope at the back, which is like a whole cape like thing. I'll get back to that in a bit as well. The wheels spin amazingly well. The wheels, and talking about the wheels, they aren't really the original wheels. I feel like these are Hot Wheels editions. And then if you look at the front, we can see the air intake as well as the headlights. The decals are relatively nice, they're simple. And let me just try to focus a little bit. I think that's the best I can do right now. And yeah, so the decals look amazing as well. The front grille, like I mentioned, the headlights right there. No extra details on the headlights, which is a bit disappointing, but we'll still make do with it. And then the left side of the vehicle, the same old thing. The wheels, like I mentioned, they spin relatively well, and you've got a whole cape like design as well, right? The spoiler cape thing that's going on over here. And then of course, obviously there's a whole thing at the back as well. We'll get back to the end. So here, this thruster, it looks really amazing. It's almost very identical to the the one from the TV series, so it really looks really nice. The three things at the back, I don't know what that is, no idea whatsoever. Let me know if you guys in the comments, let me know what it is, and yeah, I'll stay tuned for that. And yeah, so overall I think this is an amazing vehicle. Look at the interior as well. You can look at the interior, the top, it's a bit open as well, for Batman to get in with Robin. But overall, all in all, I'll say this is an amazing casting. Even if the interior, subtle details, not a lot of details, but yeah, it's still well enough. And if you look at the base, you can see the DC Comics right there. They didn't write the TV series Batmobile in the base, but that's all you get. You get DC Comics, the Hot Wheels logo. Not much details in the base except for just the front portion right here. The back doesn't have any, so it's just this front bit. I don't really know what to say about that, but regardless, I think it's an amazing car, and we're gonna shift to the tuned version, the smaller version. And my oh my, this looks so cute, guys. Come on, I mean, look at that. It's like compressed, and it's so cute, it's so adorable. And yeah, actually, if you guys realized, the color for this is also different. So this has a more bluish hue, right, with the whole cape thing, unlike this, which is black. And yeah, so besides that, this actually is better, and the wheels are, even the rims are different, and this is actually closer to the premium rims, which I will show in the next video like I promised. But yeah, the wheels spin amazingly well, the wheels feel nice as well, and just overall the quality of this car looks amazing. The front grille as well, I think that's a defect right there, I'm not really sure. I do not think it's a part of the design. I mean, the front as well. The left side of the vehicle, relatively similar to the first car that we just saw. We just saw the actual scale Batmobile. And then yeah, so at the back, obviously the whole cape like feature carries on here as well. And then you've got the thrusters. And one thing, if you guys notice, the black vehicle does not have the Hot Wheels logo, but this has. I'm not really sure why this has the Hot Wheels logo, no idea, no clue, but yeah, it does have the Hot Wheels logo, which is a cool, nice little nifty detail. I didn't notice it initially, I just noticed when I was unboxing the car. And overall, of course, we've got the 3-pipe thing at the back. No idea what it is, let me know in the comments, guys, once again, and I'll take that into account for my next video. And of course, the base is simple, it's plain, but they actually wrote the entire thing, the classic TV series Batmobile on the base, which is nice. I mean, you know what the car is now, right? I mean, it's a nice little detail. And all in all, I think it's an amazing vehicle. So guys, let me know in the comments below as well, which would you prefer between these two. I honestly think I'll go for this, definitely the tuned variation, because it's cute, it's nice, it's pocket size. And I'll see you guys at the end. And just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should had an amazing time unboxing these vehicles. Like I mentioned to you, there will be a part 2 coming up on the premium version of the Batmobile. But just like that, guys, keep in tune and I'm out. Bye.